now pull the door rubbers off. Not a lot of glue holding, but again, desperate need of changing. Now clean up all the old glue residue using a panel wipe. Clean it all out, scrape it clean, so that we've got a clean base to work with. Now that we're happy all the adjustments have been made, including two brackets for inside the door, because there was some thin steel ones been homemade and that was allowing the top of the window to kick out, but we've made those. But with all the adjustments made now, we've removed the door, we're happy to glue the rubbers on, because we wouldn't have physically got down here and glued this properly. So we shall now start to apply the glue to both sides. These cutouts are actually for the drain plates in the base of the doors, and it fits that way. The larger edge is on the inside of these old seals, allowing that when the door is shut, it's pushing it down against it. Again, we can see these rubbers have been supplied by a Jaguar specialist, S&G Barrett's in this particular case of supply. All of the extrusions seem to be of a good quality, and we are fully confident in these. Blue.